Is your Audi Q7 struggling to keep a stable Apple CarPlay connection? Statistically, most connection failures are software glitches that can be cleared without a dealer visit. Let us break down the troubleshooting process into manageable steps. Start by performing a hard MMI reset and completely repairing your device to the vehicle. If you use a wired connection, a bad cable is often the hidden culprit. Compatibility issues frequently arise when your phone's software outpaces your car's firmware. Knowing when to stop is key. If these steps fail, you may have a hardware fault. Cables and software glitches account for the vast majority of reported connection issues. Always test with a second phone to isolate whether the issue lies with the car or your device. Keep a high-quality cable in your glove box as your primary diagnostic tool. Remember that CarPlay is a handshake between two systems, so keep both updated. If you're still stuck, head to your local dealer for a software update. Drive safe.